When working on a book cover, poster, or any type of design, there are a few essentials to keep in mind. Keep the layout consistent. Do not let elements drift outside the boundaries of your design as this causes visual confusion. Be mindful of typography. Font type and size should be intentional, matching the mood and hierarchy of your composition. Consider the weight of each text element. Think about how different pieces of text contribute to the balance and flow of your project. As we learned in the margins and borders section, using them from the start helps you create clean, balanced, and professional looking posters. In earlier projects, we placed grid lines at the very beginning to organize our layout before adding any content. However, even if you didn't set up a layout at the start, it's still important to check your alignment at the end. In that case, you can define a box using guidelines in Photoshop or Illustrator and make sure all your elements are aligned within it. This final step ensures your design feels intentional, tidy, and visually cohesive, even if the grid wasn't there from the beginning. Here's an example of one of the students' projects. So once you finish your poster or book cover, check the layout using rulers and guides. Press Ctrl and R in Windows and Command plus R in Mac to show rulers, then drag guides to define your borders. I will add them from the toolbar here and try to keep the distances consistent in the left and right side and in the top and bottom side. And then I'm adding more lines here to define the borders and define our grids actually. We shouldn't exceed any lines here to make a professional look. So it's obvious that some elements are exceeding the layout lines, so we should adjust their size and position to fit within the guides. For example, we can move this moon to the center to just follow the borders we have here and make a more visual balance. And also for here, we should fit this logo and this barcode within this grid, and also this picture should fit within this grid, and also this logo and also this part of the text box. And the thing is that this font size is so similar to the title of the book, so we should make it like a little bit smaller for a more meaningful visual understanding. And here you can see that all elements fit within the layout we designed, and it's more professional and it has more balance and it's more readable.